India used to buy refined fuel from the West. Now it sells to the same countries it once bought from. One refinery made that happen. 1990s. India's fuel demand is rising. Domestic production isn't. So, India imports refined fuel, paying premium prices for something it could make at home. Meanwhile, global markets are flooded with cheap, low-grade crude that Western refineries can't process efficiently. Dhirubhai Ambani sees the gap. 1996. Reliance breaks ground in Jamnagar, Gujarat, 25,000 crore rupees, the largest single investment ever made by an Indian company at one location. 80,000 workers, built 30 to 50% below global costs, commissioned in 33 months, a world record. Jamnagar can process 200-plus grades of crude, including the cheapest grades most refineries reject, and still produce premium output. Its complexity score beats the US, beats Europe. It sits at the top of the curve. 1.24 million barrels processed daily. The largest refinery complex on Earth, 67% exported. To ExxonMobil, Glencore, Vitol, Trafigura, the same West that once supplied India.